Well, shit, guys. Every time I start to get pretty good with my flying, where I get enough practice in to where I think I'll start flying pretty good, I start breaking all my shit. And then I can't fly no more. You know I love my drone network 2 there. And day before yesterday I was flying it down the road and I went to climb up over a tree, punch out over a tree, and it didn't have enough power to punch out over the tree. I didn't quite make it. I hit the top of the tree and it fell back to the ground and it shattered my camera. As you can see, shattered the camera pretty good. I can still see out of it, believe it or not, but it shattered the lens. So, and it yanked the pads off the ESC here and done something to it because it won't finish its beeps. So I had to replace it. I had to take another ESC. I only got one ESC left on that drone now. Done took 3 off and replaced it. I've burnt 3 up so far. And so I got it back working though. Fixed it. Then yesterday I took it out flying. I come around the corner and smacked a tree. Or I didn't smack a tree, I caught the tree with one arm. And it broke my darn frame. Look at there. I'm talking about just snapped it right off. I just don't know. If it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any at all. I need something, and then I went to try to fly that one, and I just can't get that into fly right. There's something about that one. I don't know what it is. I just can't. I've got it set up identical to this one, but it just will not fly right. And I crashed it over and over and over. Finally broke a blade here. So I just said to heck with it. Brought it in the house. I don't know. I need something that I can't break. I need a drone frame that I can't break. I need some ESCs big enough that they won't smoke even if I crash. I don't know what I need really. I don't know what to do, guys. But I'm tired of breaking shit. I don't know what to get. I don't know what size ESCs I would need. I don't know. I need more power too. I know that. I need to be able to punch out over trees when I want to, and these 2204 and 2205 motors just don't have enough power for a 600 gram quad. I don't, I just don't know. But if what I've got ain't working, and it needs to be something unbreakable. Damn it! I want to. I hit a lot of trees now. Something needs to hold up. Even if I had to buy 2 frames and put them together and make a double thickness frame, like buy 2 4mm bottom plates and put them together and make a 8mm. Hell, I'd do that. I just don't know. Give me some options, guys. Tell me what you think I need to do. Oh, and also, I broke my run camera. It don't work now. It works. It'll come on, but it goes right back off. Screwed that up. I tear up more shit than anybody I know. And when I was flying this one, I messed that camera up. I reckon, because it won't hardly work now. I don't know what the hell. Alright, guys. Let me know what you think. Take it easy.